I've done this challenge twice now, and it has completely changed my mindset on letting things go or buying unnecessary items. So picture this. You're in your closet or you're in a drawer in the kitchen, you pull out an item or piece of clothing that you haven't used in 6 months. You can't even remember the last time you used it. But there's a 10% chance, 10%, maybe a 5% chance that you may someday down the road use that item or wear that piece of clothes, so you put it right back in the closet because that 5% chance, you may use it again, you want to keep it. Or if you do need that item again in the future, you know in your house there's probably something else that you can use to accomplish that task. This challenge will help you get rid of those feelings when you just can't let certain items go. The challenge is get rid of one item per day of the month. So on the first day of June, you get rid of one item. On the second day of June, you get rid of 2 new items. On the third day of June, you get rid of 3 items. The 15th of June, you get rid of 15 items. June 30th, you're getting rid of 30 items. Now this may sound like a lot towards the end, but I promise it's not, and this isn't meant to be a stressful exercise. It's meant to be a quick habit building exercise. 1, you'd be surprised how easy it is to get rid of 30 items in your house right now. 2, you'd be surprised when you actually start looking how much unnecessary stuff that you don't use anymore you still have in your house. So the theme of this video is to not stress you out by getting rid of stuff, or this to be a long, time-consuming 4 hours on a Saturday type event. An item can be anything. It can be a paper clip. On day 10, you can get rid of 10 pens that you have in a drawer that you never use. You can get rid of 15 hangers, that counts. It doesn't need to be 15 pieces of furniture. It can be 15 documents that you have stored away that you know you're never gonna need again. If you throw out 15 pieces of paper, that counts as June 15th. Don't make this harder than it is, because if you do, you're gonna burn out, you're not gonna finish the challenge. The goal of this challenge is not to get rid of things. It's to create a habit inside of you that you can easily let things go and you feel accomplished when you do so. The first week, it should take you less than 5 minutes a day to get rid of 1 item or 5 items. Towards the end of the month, when we have the 27th, the 28 items, 29 items, still less than 15 minutes that it should take you to get rid of those items. Why this challenge works and why you fail when you do it any other way. This isn't a spring cleaning exercise where you spend your entire weekend or your entire Saturday getting rid of items. If you end up getting a bunch of items out on the first day or the second day and you have 10 items you need to get rid of, don't get rid of all 10 items. Get rid of 1 item, set that pile aside, the next day pull 2 items out of there, the next day pull 3 items out of there until that pile is diminished. Just set them aside until you get rid of them. If on day 3 you're getting rid of 20 things, day 4 you get rid of 15 things, you're gonna burn yourself out, you're not gonna finish the challenge, I guarantee it. Where to start with this challenge? So here's my suggestion. You break your house up into rooms. You have living room, bedroom, kitchen. Within those rooms, you have a closet, you have a dresser. You attack one of those things per day. So the first day, maybe go all the way to the back corner of your house, your back bedroom, and you have a closet. Start there. Work through that closet day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, however many days it takes until you finish getting rid of items in that closet. Then expand, go to the dresser in the bedroom. Expand until you've completely gotten rid of all the items in that bedroom. Once that bedroom has been wiped out, maybe that you were on that bedroom for a week, now go to the living room. Start tackling the living room. Just go room by room, section by section, and get rid of items until you exhaust that room. And if it hits day 30 and you haven't gotten to every room in your house, that's fine. You completed the challenge, and that's the whole point. Don't go into a room or into your garage and pull everything off of the shelves to where it's in a big pile on the middle of the ground, because it's just gonna cause unnecessary stress and it's gonna be way too time consuming. Start with 1 box, pull it off the shelf, open it up, pull out 3 items, put the box back on the shelf, and move on to the next day. That's the 30-day minimalist challenge that I have for you guys. If you do end up accomplishing it, please comment down below. Let me know how it was. If you want to see more personal finance videos, please subscribe to this channel and hit the like button for this video to help out the channel. I'll see you in the next video.